everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have got some TikTok ribbon. It arrived today and I'm making these little centres in preparation for when I make my TikTok bows. So I'm going to show you how I make these first, and then my next tutorial will be the bow. So these are the two ribbons I've got. I've got this gorgeous tie-dye background with the TikTok logo, and then I got this funky design with like the sort of dark pink dashes and the TikTok logo again. I thought that was really nice, and I like the black background because that's more sort of how the TikTok logo is with the black background. So I really like that, but I also do love this tie-dye effect because tie-dye is all in at the moment. So I've made a centre already. This is quite a big one using the tie-dye ribbon. I'm going to make a smaller one this time using my black one. I'm just going to set that one aside. So first of all, I've got a piece of paper and I've just folded it level down one end, and then you want to measure how high your ribbon is. I'm just going to mark up with my pen, so it's here to here, so you don't want your heart shape any taller than that. And along this fold you're going to draw half of your heart. So you're going to come up and up from this side and round like that. So you've got half a heart shape. And then taking a pair of scissors, and cut that out. And when you open that up, you've got your heart shape. I'll set this paper to one side. And then next, taking your ribbon, where the TikTok symbol is, luckily that's see-through ribbon, so instead of drawing on the front, I'm going to draw on the back of my ribbon, so there's white on the back. So place your heart over your TikTok logo, making sure that's central. So this will be the middle of the TikTok logo. So I'm placing my heart where that centre is, and I'm just going to draw around my heart. And then taking a lighter, we're just going to heat seal around the end of that ribbon. So this is what you've got now. Next, taking a piece of plain white felt. This is just craft felt, just 50p a sheet from my local craft store. Nothing fancy. I'm going to stick this onto my felt. So I've got this all-purpose glue, all-purpose adhesive, and I'm just going to put some glue on the underside of my heart. I'm putting it on fairly thickly, and then I could just sort of spread it out to the edges once I've popped it on my felt. I'm just going to put it on my felt, leaving enough outline to stick my gems, and I'm just going to push outwards from that centre. Like that. And then I've got these little gems here. I got these little bags of random mixed gems from AliExpress. They weren't very expensive. I'll pop links in the description below to the ribbon and these little gems. And I think this colour, because that's in the logos, we'll use this colour. And I think this sort of darker watermelon pink we're going to use on this one. So I'll leave these ones aside for now. On this one, because this ribbon's got yellows in it, blues, the pink and the mint green from the logo, I decided to use a bigger blue one and then 3 smaller blue one, 3 smaller in all the different colours. And that is what I chose for that one. And I filled this corner with a little bow. But this one we're going to use these 2 colours. So I'm just going to get a few of these out and lay them on my desk here. And a few of the mint green ones out too. And then I've got some gemstone glue, and I'm also going to take a pin, because this is quite old and the nozzle get quite jammed up sometimes, so I tend to use a pin for it. So this is gemstone glue by Hemline. This takes around 24 hours to set, but that is a good glue. And I'm just going to start in the middle of my heart. I'm going to start placing gems just around, mostly on the felt, but slightly overlapping the edge of the ribbon. And I'm going to do that all the way round. I'll now do either side of that pink with the mint green. Just lay the gem into the glue, you don't have to push it down. And we're just going to do that all the way around the heart. And then this is what it looks like when you've gone all the way around that heart. I love these little gems, they're so like iridescent and sparkly. And then I'm just going to add a little pink bow in that corner. So again, using my gemstone glue, I'm going to add some glue to the bottom of my little bow. Like that. And I'm just going to place that in that little corner there. And then we can now leave that. It takes 24 hours to fully set this glue, but I'm going to leave it just a few hours for now to set before I cut around the edge. So I'm going to set that aside now and then we'll come back to it. So now I've left this drying for around 40 minutes. Not quite long enough really, but I just wanted to get the video done for you guys. So I'm just going to cut as close to these gemstones as I can carefully. And then taking a lighter, you want to just go around the edges to get rid of these little fluffy bits. Just really carefully go all the way around the edge, taking off any little fluffy pieces. And there you have your little bow centre ready for your TikTok bow, or whatever ribbon you want. You could cut out any symbol or picture from a ribbon. And there's my bigger one that I made earlier. You can make them as big or as small as you like. Obviously you've got to try and get them to fit the print that you want in the centre. And also you can use any shape. You could do squares, circular shapes, hearts. So you can make any bow centre that you like to match your bows. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll link the products in the description below, and I will also make a tutorial soon using these centres as well to show you how these look on a finished hair bow. If you've got any questions, pop them into the comments below and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.